I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventures. I was so focused on my pressure washing project after getting home from work that I forgot to remove my steel-toe shoes. They are soaked and wet. Since they're required at my job, I have to get them dry before 7 a.m. the next day. With it being at night and I can't use the heat from the sun, I will have to use the clothes dryer. I first need to remove the dirt on the outside before placing them in the clean clothes dryer. Speaking of clean, I better make sure I clean up that sink or I will hear it from my wife later. I could just throw my shoes in the dryer and let them violently clunk around, possibly damaging the drum baffle or constantly opening the door. Or worse, I could wake up my wife. I need to turn that dryer off. But I will do a trick that was shown to me by my son. I use this method on occasion with athletic shoes and on my steel-toe shoes. You simply tie a big knot in the shoestrings. Then I will allow the shoes to be suspended on the door inside the dryer. I ensure there are no clothes in the dryer that may become tangled in the shoes. Then I set the timer on time dry for about 50 minutes. I stay away from the auto settings. They are designed to sense moisture and a volume of clothes. Using this method removes the violent beating of the dryer's drum and won't wake up your sleeping family late at night. Depending on how wet the shoes are, you may need to run a few extra drying cycles. Please leave a comment if you feel that this method could possibly work on top-loading dryers. As long as the shoes don't come in contact with the drum while being suspended, it may actually work. And that's really it. It's just a simple solution to a common problem. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you will know when I release my next video. Another day at the job, thankfully, with dry shoes. After getting back home, I made sure I put my old shoes on before starting another project.